Okay, so let us go through all these profit and loss questions. So question number one is, a shopkeeper sells his goods at CP only, but he still manages to gain 40% because he has manipulated his weights. Find how many grams he's actually selling. Okay, so direct application of multiplying factor. So he's saying that he's giving 1000, but actually he's giving X. Okay, and this is resulting in the profit of 40%. So 1.4. So X will be 1000 divided by 1.4. So this can be approximated to 714.28. Okay, B is the answer. Okay, you can use the on-screen calculator or you can go for this approach. Okay, we know that 1 by this can be written like this, and this can be written as 1 by 7 into this 500. This is 14 point something, and 14 into 5 will be 70, near to 17. Or you can use the on-screen calculator as well, because these two options are close, so you must go for the on-screen calculator. Okay, question number 2, the profit obtained by selling a book for 56. So profit, it is given profit, don't get confused as profit percentage, it is profit. Okay, so profit means selling a book for 56 means selling price is 56, so cost price is say X. Okay, is same as the loss obtained by selling the book for 42. So loss, which means that cost price is greater than selling price, so X minus 42. So we'll solve this. This will 28 and this will be 21 is X. So this is 9 4 49. So 49 is the answer. That's it. Question number, next question. A man buys 200 oranges for 100. How many oranges a rupee can he sell so that his profit percentage is 25? Okay, so let us calculate the cost price of each. So 200 are costing him 10. So 1 rupee, let us calculate. Okay, 1 rupee, it will be 200 by 10. Okay, so 1 rupee this is, or better we can calculate for 1 orange as well. Okay, 200 is costing 10, so 1 will cost how much? 10 by 200. Okay, now we need a profit percentage of 25%, so 10 by 200 into 1.25. 25 means 5 by 4 will be multiplying factor. Okay, so 5 by 4, this gets cancelled. 5 4 20, so 1 by 16. Okay, so for 1 rupee 16 oranges you should sell. So 16 is the answer to this question. Next one, Amit bought two cars. He then sold the first car at 10% profit and the second one at 25% profit. The selling price of second car is 25% more than the selling price of first car. What is the okay? So car one, car two. Let it be X and let it be Y. Okay, these are the cost price. Okay. Now selling price, he sold the first at 10% profit, so we can write it as 1.1x, and second one at 25% profit, so 1.25y. The selling price of second car, so selling price of second car means 1.25y is 25% more than the selling price of first car. So 25% more, we can write it as 1.25 into 1.1 x. So this gets cancelled and we can write x by y as x by y as 10 by 11. Okay, so this we got x by y as 10. The question is, what is the approximate profit percentage? Okay, so let x be 10 and y be 11. So cost price will be x plus y or 21. Okay, now this will be how much? 1.1 into 10 plus 1.25 into 11. So this is 110 and this will be 1.25 into 11, or we can write it as 5 by 4 into 11. So 13.75, this will be 1.25 into 11, or it will be 137.5. This, oh sorry, this won't be this, this will be 11 only. Okay, and this will be 13.75. So total will be how much? 24.75. Okay, 24.75. So this we got as SP and this is total CP calculated. 3.75 divided by 21 into 100. So 3.75 divided by 21. So 17.8. So first option is the answer. Next question. Buy 3 get 1 free. What is percent discount? Okay, so selling price will be what basically? Selling price will be 3 products of X. Mark price will be how much? 4X. Okay, right? So discount percentage will be how much? Mark price minus selling price by mark price into 100, right? We are getting we are getting we are getting we are paying, I mean we are paying for 3 products only, and or if I talk from the shopkeeper's perspective, then I am offering 4 products, so mark price will be 4x, and this 3x will be what I am getting, so that will be 4x, sorry 3x, so 4x minus 3x by 4x into 100 is basically 25%, right? I won't show the calculation. Okay, next one. Yes, next question. A wholesaler supplies few chips to retailer. Every chip costs 10,000. 5% of the chips are defective and they are to be replaced without charging anything. Okay, so this is the question. This is a good one. So let these 10,000 be 10,000 be K. Okay, K, because I don't have to write. Okay, now see, first of all, he is selling 100 chips. Okay, uh, suppose the total quantity of chips he is sending initially is 100. Okay, 100 he is sending, 5% are getting defective, so he is sending basically 5 more, right? So basically he is sending 105 chips. Okay, by taking the uh price of how much, price of 100 only. Okay, so 105, and still he is making a profit of 20%. So basically we can multiply, cost price will be 105 into 1.2 into, this will be the selling price. So this is basically 105 into 1.2 into 10,000 will be 12600. So option B is the answer. Next one. Okay. A seller calculated his intended selling price at 6% profit on the cost of product. However, owing to some mistakes while selling, the tens and unit digits got replaced. Okay, units and tens got replaced. This reduced the profit by 9 rupees. So profit was reduced by 9 rupees. Okay, what is the cost price? Okay, so like you can form an equation like xy, and then later on actual was xy, and but it became yx, and then this happened, and you can do it in trial. But since the options are provided, so I would suggest you to go for the options approach. Okay, so if I take 250 cost price, selling price will be how much, 1.06. Okay, so 240 into 1.06, so this will be 255.4. Now if these two gets interchanged, this will be 245.4, right? And profit percentage will also change. Let me check. So 254.4 minus 245.4, so this got reduced to 9. So this option can be considered. Let us check the profit percentage in both the cases as well. So 245.4 minus 240, in the second case I'm calculating 245.4 minus 240 upon cost price is 240 only, na, divided by 240. So this will be 2.25%. Okay, this is the changed, and actual will be how much, 254. Actual will be 254.4 minus 240 upon 240. Okay, minus 240 upon 240. So this is 0.06. Okay, or did I do some calculation mistake? Oh, so this will be 6%. My bad, 6%. So you can see that profit percent did not reduce to 2.4, right? So this is wrong. Means option 1 is wrong. So option 1 is gone. Coming to the next option, 250 into 1.06. So 250 into 1.06 is basically 265. Now these two digits got interchanged. So 256 it is now. 265 minus 256 it is. So the difference is 9 only. This you don't need to check. In everywhere when units and 10 digits will get interchanged. So difference will be 9 only. Okay. Now calculate the profit percentage in each case. 265 minus 250 by 250. Okay. So 265 minus 250 by 250 is 6%. Next case, 256 minus 250 by 250, 6 by 250. So this is 2.4%. Okay. Profit, and this reduced the profit by rupees 9 and profit percent 2. So drop, you can see the drop, profit percent got reduced to 2.4. So this option 2 is absolutely correct. Okay. You can check on option 3 and 4 as well. That won't be correct. So B is the answer. Next one. Mohit goes to furniture shop to buy a sofa set and center table. He bargains for a 10% discount on center table and 25% on sofa set. Okay, so basically we have center table and sofa set. Okay, these two things we have. When however the shopkeeper changed the, okay, so 10% it was initially, and this was 25% initially. Okay, however the shopkeeper interchanged the discount percentage. Okay, so this interchange, what percentage did Mohit pay extra? This is okay. So we can take the, it is given that the center table is 40% as sofa set. Okay, So sofa set, suppose it is 100, so center table will be 40. Okay, now let us calculate the initial case selling price when this exchange did not happen. Okay, so 40 10% will be 36, and this will be 75 means 3 by 4, so 75 it will be. Okay, so in this case it will be how much? 1110 111 it will be. Okay, now in another case you can see that 40 discount percentage is 25 and 100 discount percentages, this is for center table and this is for sofa set. Okay, 10, so this will be 90, and this will be 4 into 3 by 4 30, 4 into 3 by 4 na 30 it will be. Total is how much? 120. Okay, now let us calculate the percentage he has to pay extra. You can see that this is 111, this is 120, so he is paying extra. So difference is 9 by 110 into 100, so 9 by 111, that's approximately 8.1%. So this is the answer. Coming to question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. A shopkeeper purchases a packet of 50 pence at 10 per pen. Okay. He sells a part of the packets at 30% profit. Okay. And remaining at 10% loss if his overall percentage is 10. So very direct question. You can see that. You must have spotted that question is based on allegation. Although you can do it like this as well. Take X pen sold at profit, so 1.3x, and remaining 50 minus X sold at loss, so 0.9, and then overall is this. You can form the equation and you can absolutely do this, but I would suggest you to go for the allegation approach. Profit, so 30, loss, so minus 10, and overall 10, so plus 10 over here. So allegation, this will be 20, this will be 20, ratio is 1 is to 1, so 50 will be divided into ratio 1 is to 1, so basically 1 by 2 into 50, so 25, so 25 each, so A is the answer. Very direct question. Next one, if I see, what is the profit percentage of dishonest seller merchant who professes to sell his CP and uses the very direct question. 1 by 6 means 1 by 6 basically means sorry 16.67 means 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 he's selling, 1 by 6 he's cheating. Okay, so he's saying that he's giving 6, but so multiplying factor in this case will be what? 1 by 6 minus 1, so we got 5 by 6. Okay, so he's saying that he's giving 6, but he's actually giving how much? 6 into 5 by 6, that is he's giving 5 only. Okay, so 6 by 5 means 1.2, so 20% is the answer. That's it. These were the solutions. I hope all these are clear now.